The Season 2 Blur airdrop is finally here, so if you've been trading, lending, or bidding on the Blur platform, you could be eligible for a nice payday in the form of the Blur token. However, the next Ponzi is also here, and it's called Blast. Now, if you want to claim your Blur token airdrop, you could do this by heading over to their platform, where you have to go through a series of mandatory steps. It's really annoying if you have to claim on multiple wallets, but at the end, you are able to claim your Blur airdrop. However, it won't be deposited directly into your wallet, but instead will automatically be staked into the Blur Season 3 farming pool. Now, you are able to immediately withdraw this money if you want to. However, if we look at this page, you'll notice that you're earning points for another airdrop under the name Redacted. However, it does qualify you for an airdrop for Blast, which is a brand new layer 2 by Paradigm and Standard Crypto. Now, if we jump over to the Blast website and connect our wallets as well as our socials, you'll be given a score for the Blast airdrop. However, if you want to claim these points, you are going to have to bridge some money into the layer 2, but it is worth noting if you do this, your money is going to be locked up until February, which is the scheduled date for the Blast Mainnet launch. So if you do plan on doing this, don't send next month's rent because you're not going to be able to get your money out until next year. Now, if you do decide to bridge your money, you are going to be presented with 2 additional ways to earn points. The first of which is by inviting others to deposit their money into the layer 2. And you're going to want to make sure you give your codes to people who are actually going to deposit, because you earn 16% of the points that they earn, as well as 8% of the points that the people they invite earn. So you want to ideally find whales who have a lot of whale friends, or people that you know love a good Ponzi, because this is classic pyramid scheme or multi-level marketing tactics. Now, when you do invite others who deposit funds, this increases your squad goals, unlocking squad rewards such as additional luck for your spins, which is the next way to earn points by spinning the wheel. Now, you get 1 spin per week per ETH that you've bridged into the layer 2. And you can also play this card reveal game to increase your luck, which turns your spin into a super spin. Now, as for the chain, the testnet is scheduled to launch in January, where 50% of the airdrop is going to developers and the other 50% is going to us normies. However, our redemption period is only beginning in the month of May. So kudos to the team for coming up with the next Ponzi and not only convincing us to deposit our funds on Blur, but now also in Blast, as I'm personally doing both. As for the Blur Season 2 airdrop, I fared pretty well. While I did trade and did a little bit of bidding, I didn't do that much bidding and I did 0 of the lending. However, I still managed to rake up roughly 5,000 Blur tokens, which is around $1,600 at current prices. So free money, I can't complain. And we are seeing across crypto Twitter, some traders fared incredibly well, raking up 6 figures in profit. However, we're also seeing some traders who took huge losses and they are expressing their frustrations publicly on crypto Twitter. So let me know if you're going to be participating in the Blast Ponzi, how you fared in the Blur Season 2 airdrop.